Okay, welcome everybody, and I am Cody. And in today's video, we are doing a paper airplane challenge. I have Skylar here. Skylar, move your screen. I don't know. She hasn't decided what a YouTube channel name is yet, so can't tell you that. But in the future,
It's gonna be Cats.
okay, she wants it to be Cats 90909, right?
My name of everything.
So we are doing a paper airplane.
And we have a couple
Drawing
slabs of
contest.
paper just in case if they crash and break or get stuck.
Well, we're
Whatever.
gonna do multiple rounds.
Yes.
So how we're gonna do this? Sky doesn't know how to fold one, so I'm gonna have to fold hers. I'm gonna fold mine so they're better.
Cody!
I didn't say anything.
He said he makes paper airplanes better than me.
Yeah, that's totally what I said.
Sort of like that.
Okay.
Some people think I'm a robot.
Who thinks you're a robot?
My friends.
Okay.
Mostly Brody.
Well, that's because you second graders are nuts.
A third grader said that.
Okay. Well, third graders and second graders are nuts. Okay.
I
Set
don't.
up the screen. You go help the baby.
Here. One second.
Oh.
Oh, it covers the camera.
Okay. So I don't know how to do this.
There.
Put mine.
What?
Oh my gosh, I got it balanced. I got it.
Oh,
Psych.
can you pick it up, please?
Sky, I think your YouTube video ended.
Really?
Yeah, because you're not on YouTube anymore.
Oh, shoot. Here, I'll restart it.
Yeah, it didn't work. Okay. Jeez.
Is that my iPad?
Yeah. So I'm gonna turn it down. I want copyright. Shut up, iPad.
What is this problem?
Okay, now
Sorry.
copyright.
Chloe, give me that thing. Give me the game.
You said that?
Give me that game.
What thing?
My bunny cow. What was that?
What?
Where's my bunny? Shut.
Wait, I need to go shut off the radio. I'll be right back.
I heard a meow.
Sky, can you look at my thing and see if it's showing me? Don't touch it, just see. Is it?
Yep.
So, guys, if you don't know how to fold a paper airplane, this is how you
Okay. Hey guys, we're gonna do the paper airplane contest. I already started a video, but it shut off.
So
for some
here you
reason.
have a piece of paper. Go like this. Fold it like this. Hot dog.
Or sandwich, whatever you want to call it.
It's hot dog. The other way is hamburger.
What?
So it's like this. Then you take one corner. Fold like this.
Hello, everybody. My iPad
This is
shut
the
off
third time
again,
you're doing it. Oh my gosh.
and
This is the
it's
third
not
time Sky's making
working.
it.
It's really weird.
Okay, so then you do that to each side. You keep doing that. Over. And over. Sky still can't make a successful intro without.
It's working.
Okay, it is. Everyone who's watching Sky's channel, subscribe to my channel. I'm Codeman999.
Can you subscribe to my channel? This is only my third video.
I did subscribe to your channel, Skylar.
Wait, you're making a plan. Wait, that's how I can make it a plan at my pool.
Okay, so once you feel satisfied with your paper airplane, fold the top part out.
Is that mine?
No, this is mine. You make your own. I just showed you how to do it.
I can do that at my pool.
And you got a paper airplane. You made a paper airplane?
Yeah.
If someone can make a paper
No, she
airplane, you
didn't.
can make a paper airplane.
Is it? This I
Yeah, it seems good.
Cool.
So
Well, let's
again,
I can cut it.
you.
But I can't.
Oh wow, that flew far.
Now let me
that she's under the porch. Or, no, she might be inside. Loki. Oh, you want outside? Come on. There's Loki.
The kitty cat. No. We have 2 cats, 1 dog, and a bird. She's just gonna.
We just gotta kind of watch her.
Yeah.
Lilu!
There's our dog. Camera, set it.
Lilu, inside.
Here.
I'm putting Lilu inside, letting Loki roam around out here, okay, Mom? Okay.
Like, and then.
Mom doesn't like to answer me. Loki. Loki, wrong way. Other way. That way. That way, that way, that way, that way, that way. See, you're doing good, Skylar. Okay. Loki. Okay, now you can go wherever you want.
No, Lilo.
Let's put this back where it was. Making sure that's good. Yeah, I can see.
My friend made this kind of airplane.
I'm gonna see if I can hit the camera.
My friend made this kind of airplane. Does it work?
It flies.
As long as it has wings.
No, you're like 3 steps of the way there. Except for, just unfold these. Put these back up. And then keep pulling those corners.
Like how?
Just again, what you did. Yeah, just fold it out again. No!
Oh, Lila, come here.
I said I have video evidence that I took her inside and said Loki's or Lilu's going inside so Loki can be out. Ow!
I'm supposed to be at a reunion tonight, but I'm not going to. So now, of course, people are like, where are you?
Someone just dropped a bike on my foot. Little bike bumper. Okay. Let's see. Maybe I can hit from close.
Lila, come on.
I hit the baby on purpose. Because she's a baby.
It's okay.
Darn! This guy's the thing is just sitting there recording on the ground.
Like this?
Hey, here, Skylar. Your paper airplane. This is.
No,
You like this?
The kitty. Hey. What? Oh, the
You might want to fold it just one more time.
What?
Put the wings in. Fold this top part one more time.
Like this?
Fold it one more time.
Like that?
Fold it one more time.
Again?
Uh-huh.
Like.
Yes. However far you want to fold it. This is the plane of many words. Oh boy. I think it's gonna win.
Make it for me.
Skylar! I'm not making you a whole new one.
Make me one.
I'm going off what you made. That's mine, let go of it.
What?
Seriously?
I'm terrible.
Remaking the folds so they're straight. Folding it one more time.
I'm gonna lose. Ow. There's a tiny piece of black wood. Where did it even come from?
There.
Somebody knows. Yeah. Now, Goldie, do it.
Stop throwing them into the. You're like. Wee. Throw.
No, this is how you do it.
Okay, so round one. Are you even gonna point a 1 to your people? Okay. Round one.
Yes. Yay.
Okay.
Just making sure.
Okay, so we're gonna go on to the top of the fort. Sky, you wanna go first?
No.
Okay. I'll look down. And I win! Okay. So, Sky, don't touch. I need to show everyone it. So I threw mine into the ground and it landed here. Broke the nose.
Mine
Sky
is
threw hers into the ground and it hit the hose and
and
stopped.
32 hits in the ground.
Yeah. And I need to go
the
check
tips
on.
look dead.
I need to go look at Loki. 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 Summer! Loki, where are you going? No. Wrong way. You know you're not supposed to. Okay, Loki, inside. Loki. Loki, come here. Okay, sorry everybody. I'm just setting it down right here so I can get my cat.
Okay, stop in the name of the law. Okay, well, I'm just gonna make it around one. Loki, come here. Loki, come on. I tried to train you so bad. Loki, come here. Come here. No. Whatever. No. Guys, I'll be there in a sec. I'm trying to get my cat. Yeah. Got her.
Everyone, don't worry. I got my cat. See? Kitty cat. Okay, everybody. Okay, so I got my cat.
Well, cat needs some serious viewing.
No! Sky thinks we should squirt my cat with bitter apple. Sky,
I want to
lick
taste
some.
it.
Look at
It
you.
really doesn't taste bad.
I don't know.
Have you tasted it?
Oh, Lilo, you can come now. Look, I put Loki inside.
Oh, look, he's inside. You
Yeah.
can go outside
Lilo,
now.
come here. Come on, Lilo.
Oh.
Okay,
Wow. I didn't.
grab your airplanes for round number 2. I'm gonna throw with my camera in my hand. Sky, you wanna throw first? Okay, Sky throwing.
Can I?
Hey, Lilo moved it forward.
I call it rematch.
Okay, you throw. You get one throw from that position if you want. Okay, I am the. Oh. You want me to throw? Here, you can have. I'll fold you a new one. I'll fold you a good one. I'll fold you a new one, but I am using that piece of paper. This is Sky's airplane.
All these pieces full.
I don't know. It's a plane at the end. Skylar! She just licked all the pieces of paper.
Owie!
Yeah, yeah, your tongue deserves this paper cut. I think Loki's meowing again. Jeez, that's kind of ridiculous because I just let her outside.
And then, because you just lit her outside before.
Skylar!
Because she snuck outside once. She attacked me when I tried bringing her back.
And then she hissed at me and bit me and scratched me when I brung her
Like
back.
me. And then now she's like, what? Because we just
And then I locked her in the bathroom for 2 minutes.
Because she's too. Oh, it's a squirrel!
Okay, so it's 2-0. Or do you want to restart the countings and stuff?
2-0.
Okay.
We're going to do 5 twice.
So the first person to get to 5 wins?
Yes.
Okay. Sky, throw.
Hey, why are you throwing from right there?
I'm not. Just standing here. Throw, Skylar, throw! Sky, you threw it.
Jump it!
Okay. So. Lilo hates Sky's paper airplane.
That's why we put more pieces of paper. Let's read
I bet I could throw this farther than that. No, Lilo, no! She bit a hole through the wing. There's a hole. Okay, let's just end this paper airplane. Put it out of his misery. We gotta make a new type of paper airplane. Okay, new type of paper airplane. So that's just the first kind of common type of paper airplanes. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to fold the next type. Okay, so this is how you make the next type of paper airplane. This is how you make the next type of paper airplane. You fold it in half, and then you fold these half of the way, like this. So it's like this.
Oh,
Then
that
you fold
one?
this one. We probably should have started with this one first. Don't think these are gonna make it that far, like this. And voila! Your paper airplane.
I love that kind.
Because it's so simple.
Yeah.
And then they fall apart like this. And by the way, we're not using any tape or stuff to hold them together.
Yeah.
Or whatever you guys might use to hold them together. So. And then after this one we'll do stunts.
That's
Like-
why it's so easy for the dog to rip that.
What do you mean it was so easy for the dog to rip
Because
up?
there's no tape.
Oh yeah. Well, the dog can just kind of bite in too.
Yay, a paper airplane.
Okay, ready?
Should I have bigger wings?
No. Oh, we can do it at least. Okay, hit my head. Do it again.
Bigger wings,
Yeah, we're good. No, Sky, that counts. I'm gonna get mine bigger wings then. Okay, you can give it huge wings, like this big if you want, because you're a psychopath. But I was a psychopath. Just kidding, I'm not a psychopath. Everyone, don't be a psychopath. It's bad.
Please don't be a psychopath. That would be creepy and weird.
Unless you want to be.
Unless if you want to be. We're not trying to tell you how to do your life, but I wouldn't really.
You can be whatever. You can almost be whatever you want.
Yeah, you can't really
Okay,
be.
now this is just weird.
Unless if you want to be animal, you can't do that.
That's what I said. Almost everything. Okay, now this is version 2. Bigger wings. Okay, go, Skylar.
No, you first.
No, starting from down here, because you're not gonna make it.
You first.
Okay,
You
everybody,
first.
here's my paper airplane. And fly like an eel.
Okay.
It hit you. It hit you. It hit you. And fly.
Okay, here's my paper airplane.
No. No, it didn't. You. That's you. You're the first to throw it. Nope, nope. I'm the winner. It's 3-0, everybody. I win. Yay.
I have a special creation of an airplane.
Oh, what is it? Okay, now you're gonna make whatever paper airplane you want. I'm gonna make whatever paper airplane I want. It's got a message from me. It's going to read there. And I'm folding my airplane, which is a secret. Oh, geez. I just saw her like rip it up. So she has half a paper airplane now. I don't know what she's doing. She's called it her special creation.
For making a new one.
And the reason I haven't been doing gaming videos lately is because my mic broke. So, yeah.
I don't even have a mic.
Well, you don't even have a computer. What you think about that? If you want a computer, you can go get a computer for Christmas or something. Actually, you can get a laptop, no computer.
I'm gonna get one laptop.
This is my paper airplane. Guy, you almost ready? It has super speedy wings, like so it can go super ultrasonic speed, and it can hit the camera. I did it! Haha, camera, you can't. Oh, I knocked it over. I'm a total pro at this. Okay. I'm a total pro. Okay. So yeah, my paper airplane. There's a dog right there. His name is Dilu.
From the fifth element, blah blah blah.
Don't look at that coverage.
Oh my god!
Oh, you fell over? Oh, okay. Well, guys, goodbye. I'm just kidding. Well, I should actually save this till the end of the video.
There's no
do it
balls
now.
in it.
Sorry, you're okay. I'll do it at the end of the video. So,
Bert,
yeah. Well, I'm doing YouTube.
you can put it in that tiny can. Okay!
I'll be in the next video. Where's my paper airplane?
Where did it go?
Ew, did you really tear it up?
I can't forget.
If that doesn't prove Lilu hates
Paper
paper
airplane.
airplanes, I don't know what does. This place is a paper airplane dump.
Yeah, afterwards I'm just gonna let Lily destroy all paper airplanes.
Well, there's only 2 left.
I'm making half the paper airplanes, which will give me the other 2. Because I have 2 halves. There's 4 extra pieces.
Lilu, no bark.
No!
Okay, turn it around.
I'm coming back.
Okay, let's do this. Epic airplane number 2. Super sleek body. Fly through here. Okay, come on, Skylar. You have 3 paper airplanes up there.
I know, because they're
Come on.
small, they break. You first.
We're not at the, we're at the very steps to the porch, the very end of it. So we're gonna.
Yay! Okay, so
That's so cool. I think we got, that's a tie, that's a tie.
wait.
Tie.
Got it quick.
Me and Sky got a tie. Mine did a complete U-turn.
It was like,
It went, it went, and Sky's just went.
okay,
Sky,
yeah!
you first. No, I went first.
You
This time.
first.
Sky, it's your turn to go first. Skylar,
You first.
I'll unsubscribe from your channel.
What?
I'll unsubscribe from your
Okay.
channel.
You first and you get unsubscribed.
I'm gonna rip it.
Seriously?
It's your turn.
That's what you did to mine.
You suck. I'm unsubscribing right now. Going to YouTube.
Okay, I don't care.
Well, okay, so I am the winner. Sky's the loser. Yeah, because I'm a total boss at everything. I didn't even do anything. So yeah, this is called a Nerf gun and it has bullets. So see you guys next time. Bye. Where'd it go? Oh, never saw. Okay, I just thought it went away. So, but here we go. You can look down the barrel and see it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Go back.
Dude, drop it. 2 more times. Ugh, that's so hard to pull. Okay. Hold it, triggered it, fired it. Hold it. Safety off. Bye. Oh. Okay, wait. Drop it. Okay, so see you guys next time. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna do it like this. So I'm the champion. Sky's the loser. My phone's gonna die. So see you guys next time. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like on the video, and bye bye.